climate plays a big part in the primary divisions among the different types of biomes, and much of what determines climate is location. Tropical rainforests, covering almost 6% of the Earth's surface. They're home to over half of the species of plants and animals found on this planet. As you might have guessed, tropical rainforests can be found in the tropics. All around the world, along the equator, between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Brazil, Colombia, Costa Rica, Zaire, Kenya, Madagascar, Indonesia, India, the Philippines, Borneo, Thailand, and Australia are just a few of the countries where tropical rainforests can be found.